DG game, and I'm back. We back with another one. We're finna do a vlog for today. We're finna start doing more vlogs. I hope y'all heard NBA Nation Pop say that we was gonna start vlogging. So stay tuned for our 3 a.m. challenge. Yeah, it's a nice view out here too. And guys, drop some comments, likes, and subscribe to my channel. And let us know if y'all like our channel. Subscribe. We'll be doing more stuff. We'll be moving up to a next level so we can be able to show y'all what we do. And that's, yeah, I think the fireworks. Guys, we're finna get ready to pop the fireworks. Look, watch this. My uncle right there. Yep, we're starting now. We're finna get ready and pop the fireworks. Now we're finna show y'all. She's going crazy. Yeah, guys. You know, this girl, she crazy. She's just excited. She ain't nothing wrong with her. She's just excited. And look, we're finna get ready to pop fireworks. Well, do the fireworks. We don't know what's about to happen. We're just vlogging for a video, just for today, because we said we was gonna vlog. But my cousin had to end up and go back home. So, yeah. Look at these two. Y'all bad. Yeah. Now we're finna get ready and show y'all what we're about to do today. Today is going to be a great day. Well, it's about to be nighttime. Y'all, guys, download this app called Mercil or something like that. It's a good app. I got my outfit from off of that. And yeah, we're finna get ready to do the thing.
It was on there. Was it fused this way? Was the paper on there?
Yeah.
Like that?
It was like this. It was like
Where
this.
the fuse went?
That's the fuse right there.
So that's the top.
Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, y'all ready.
YouTubers, y'all ready for this? Let's go.
Y'all stay over there.
Subscribers. Are y'all ready?
Subscribe.
We're gonna pop this joint.
Let's go.
Let's see what this is.
Oh, yeah.
That's it?
Is that it?
What motherfucking money back? Whoever made these shit.
I think that's the wrong way.
No, Keely, it wasn't the wrong way. You told me to goddamn open up one way.
Man.
Oh.
This is one of money back.
He's gonna set this thing on fire.
Oh no.
He's setting it on fire. He is setting it on fire because he wants his money back.
Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man.
Pop. He's setting it on fire.
Fire. No.
Oh my God.
Guys. This was an epic fail. Oh my God.
He just said
Epic fail. Womp, womp, womp.
And I ain't playing this on YouTube.
He tearing the whole box up.
Oh, shit, I see some spark.
It's gonna do something.
Probably because he's trying to put the shit on YouTube.
that's why y'all should just left it.
Oh! 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 Oh man!
There we go, bitch. Get it out.
It scared me. That was not an epic fail. We thought it was gonna be an epic fail.
Side whoop, chicken whoop.
Oh, 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 oh. And I'll see y'all guys later.